Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to fix the iPhone hotspot not working on your iPhone iOS 18. For example, if you have turned on your hotspot on your iPhone, and after that as you connect any device to your iPhone you see that it is not working, then how you can fix that. For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, we have to simply go to the hotspot settings on your iPhone. So here you have to simply go to the settings. So here you have to simply make sure that you have done all the hotspot. So here you have to simply click on that setting, and here what you have to do, you have to simply open the personal hotspot, and you can also access this from the settings. So here you have to simply go back and you have to look for the hotspot. So here you can simply look for your hotspot settings, and after that you have to simply make sure that they are working properly. And here you can also search for the hotspot settings, so that here you can simply go click on hotspot join, and you can also check for the hotspot settings. But before, you have to make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi or internet connection. So here you have to really make sure that, so here you can simply check the settings for the hotspot. So here you can simply go to the settings, and you have to turn on the mobile data if you want to turn on the hotspot on your iPhone. So you have to make sure that, so if it doesn't working, then you have to simply go to settings, and after that what you have to do, you have to simply go to general. So in general, you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. So here you have to simply click on reset, and you have to reset all of your network settings. Now what you have to do, you have to simply check again whether your problem has been solved or not. If the problem is still there, then you have to simply restart your device, and after restarting your device, so your problem will be solved. If the problem is still there, then you have to simply connect to the Apple support, and you have to ask the solution of the problem from the Apple support, and hope they will connect to you and solve the problem for you as soon as possible. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.